Hey folks, I just got a package. I came downstairs from upstairs after that fiasco of that video game. I got the refund, by the way, the $40 refund I got back. So I got to try it. It's just not for me. Just the controls are just not for me. Anyway, I got this, and what's in here is something I never had before. At least not this flavor anyway, right? And it goes really good with coffee. And these are these Cliff Bars, right? Now, I've had these before, but I've never had this flavor. I've had the chocolate chip one. I'm going to show you why this is really cool. I didn't even know they come in flavors like this. This has a shot of espresso in each one of these, right? This one is vanilla almond latte. And each one of these bars has a equivalent shot of one espresso. Yeah, one shot of espresso, as you can see. See, it says one shot of espresso over there. So every one of these has a shot of espresso. So you got vanilla almond latte. You got dark chocolate mocha. Are those the, oh, and you got this. Caramel macchiato. Caramel. So I'm going to try the vanilla one. Try the vanilla one. Have that with a little coffee, just in case we don't have enough. So each one of these has like a shot of espresso in it. It's pretty cool, right? I never had that before, and I think these came out to about $1.50 a piece. They came out to about $1.50 a piece. So how many did that come in here? Like 12? I think it's like $18. But anyway, these are good for breakfast. So I'm gonna try one right now. I'm gonna try the vanilla almond latte one. If I like them, I'll order them again. Now, I've had Cliff Bars before. But the thing is, I've never had this flavor with the coffee inside of it. I'm sure it'll be delicious. I'll let you know in a minute. I know what these taste like. They're pretty good. Okay? They're not like, medicine-y tasting. Not as sweet as the chocolate chip one. Probably because it has the espresso in it. Very good though. So I'm gonna put the rest of these away in the kitchen and have these for breakfast. These are good breakfast bars, energy bars. I'd order these again, definitely. Anyway. It comes in this nice little box, too. This nice little box that it comes in, see? So I'll put the box in the kitchen, and I'll see you guys a little later. Just thought I'd show you. Take it easy, folks. Be well. Bye.